In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your phone contacts on Instagram. So there's various reasons as to why you would want to do this. One of them being it'll be much easier to go ahead and follow all of your friends if they are connected to your Instagram. So how you would go about doing this is you would go firstly to your profile once you've opened up Snapchat by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you would tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right. And then you can see an option right at the bottom there. It says Discover People. Go ahead and tap on that. And then you can see underneath Connect to Facebook, it says Connect Contacts. Follow people you know. Tap the blue Connect button next to Connect Contacts. And then they'll just give you this message, and what you would do is tap on Approve Access and then allow Instagram to access your contacts. Tap on Allow. And now contacts have been connected and you can go ahead and follow them much easier. So they'll pop up as suggestions as to people that you can follow all around Instagram, and you can go ahead and follow them from there. So that would be how you find your phone contacts on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.